So this is Harajuku after all, the one near Meiji Shrine. It's 5, so it's starting to get dark. So we're just walking around, trying different alleys. We'll see what we see, what we could see here at Harajuku. Yeah, most of the establishments I see have something to do with beauty products and vanity, like parlors and stuff. So far, those two girls in pink are the weirdest I've seen. Or maybe there's more to come, I don't know. I just don't know where to go. Okay, so here you have traditional clothes, cheap, cheap, cheap. Tokyo Standard cheap. More people, they don't seem to run out of people. Motesando stretches all the way over there, the other side. So that stretch of road is Omotesando. Go there, you end up in Shibuya. Go the other way, you end up in Shinjuku. Harajuku is in the middle. Looks like there's some rally or something. One of the back alleys. There's a long queue over there for this restaurant, which is Eggs and Things. So mostly clothing and beauty products. They outnumber the cafes and the restaurants here. So if trendy translates to vanity, then Harajuku is definitely trendy. So there are many alleys that are converted into shopping streets. So from one shopping street to another. So here at Harajuku it never gets dark. Seriously. So you have the branded clothes, the not so branded clothes. Everything about fashion here. That over there is Harajuku Station of the JR line. One of the entrances, that's JR Harajuku Station. We're going to the other street on the other side of the street. Hi. So we're out of Takeshita Street. We're going back to Harajuku Street. That was a very busy shopping street. Okay, let's try to see what's on the other side. This street seems to be more tame than the other one. More clothes, some cafes. All quiet here. Not as busy as the other one. Boring. I suddenly wanted to go back to the other one. This is going to Shinjuku. It's the boring Harajuku Street. We went out. Let's go to the other Harajuku Street over there. Across Takeshita. More people here. Not so much as Takeshita, but more than the other Harajuku Street. The road seems to end there, so quite short. More people, but not as exciting as the other street. So, if you want all the action, go to Takeshita on the other side of the road. Okay, so that ends it. We end the tour at Shinjuku, and then we catch a train back to the guest house. Halloween in Roppongi. It's a happy vibe, but I'm not feeling it, so I think I'm just gonna Halloween here is crazy. Okay, we're going home now. This is Shibuya.